Now on lesson 12, we're on page 104. I am only going to be showing you the proportion way to solve this problem because it is kind of detailed. If you like the percent way, you absolutely can use if you like the equation way, you can use the equation way. And in that case, you are going to do questions 11 through 14. But because I'm doing the proportion way, we're going to do all of page 104, and then on 105, we're only doing 15, 16, and 17. So we're skipping the questions that have to do with the equation. So our question says, Nia told Patrick that her new backpack only cost $14 because she used a 30% off coupon when she bought it. Patrick wants to buy a similar backpack. How much will it cost if he does not have a 30% off coupon? So this one is different from what we talked about before because the $14 is the sale price. So I'm going to make they did a tape diagram down here, but I'm going to do a more simple tape diagram right here. So I like to put money on one side and percents on the other. So I know that it's going to be less money. I know that she had a 30% off coupon. So this is the 30% off that she doesn't have to pay. I know that she paid $14, but I don't know how much the original price is, and I don't know what percent this is. So I know the original price goes with the 100%. And I know 14 is the part, but I need to do some thinking to solve the rest of this problem. So in my percent proportion, I know 100 will go here. I know that $14 is my part, but I need to first find out what percent this is going to be. So we did a question similar to this, where instead of subtracting the money, we can subtract the percents. So 100% is the total price. If I do 100% minus 30%, I will get that is 70%. And that is what you see in the model it also. So 14 is 70% of the price. So Nia only had to pay 70% of the price. So that's 70 over 100. But Patrick is going to have to pay the full price, which we don't know what that is. When we cross multiply this will be our final answer because we are trying to figure out what the 100% is, and this will give us the 100% price. So when I cross multiply, I'll do 14 times 100 divided by 70, and I will get $20. So Nia had to pay $14, but Patrick will have to pay $20 since he does not have the coupon. Now you can look at their example if you want to, because they solved it slightly different way. They still found the 30% off, but then they also found out that the $14 was 70%. But I think this one's a little bit more simple. Now we are going to, like I said before, skip ahead to question number 15. Question 15. Suppose the sale price is $18 and the discount is $25. Explain how to find the regular price. So we're not going to explain, we're just going to solve for the regular price. So I want to find the regular price. Maybe I should just cross out explain and be like, that's what we're trying to find. So first, I like to make a tape diagram. I'm going to make it over here at the side. So this is a discount of 25%. So I know once again, that's going to be less. So 25% off. So this is 100%. And the sale price is $18. So the total price, the regular price is what we're trying to find, the original amount. And then the sale price is $18. So when I do my proportion, 100% never changes. And I know the $18 is going to be what goes with the part, this percent, but I don't know what that percent is. So the $18 is the part. The whole is the original price, which we don't know what that is yet. But now we can find this percentage because it's going to be 100%, but we don't have to pay 25%. So we'll do 100% minus 25% to get that is 75%. So 75% is our percentage. And then our variable, we're looking for the original price. So we're looking for the one that goes with the 100. Now, when I cross multiply this, I will get that the original amount was $24 when you do 18 times 100 and then divided by 75. Question 16. Deanna gets 3 problems incorrect on a math quiz. She gets 85% of the problems correct. How many problems are on the quiz? So this is another one where a tape diagram will help us, and it is very similar to what we were working with before. The difference is they gave us the percent instead of giving us like the sale price. So they gave us the percent and they gave us how many questions were wrong, and we had to figure out how many total questions there are. So I know that 100% would be what she would get if she got them all right. Let me put 100% on the other side because that's where we have been putting our percents. And 85% is the grade that she got. Now I know that she missed 3 questions. But I have no idea what this number is. I don't know how many questions there are. And I also don't know how many questions was she got right to get 85. But I can find out what percentage represents the 3 questions. So if she got 85%, I can do 100% minus 85%. So if she got 85% correct, that means she got 15% wrong. And I can now use that information to set up my proportion. So my 100% was the total amount. That's what we're trying to find, how many total questions are on the quiz. And I can't use the 85 because I don't know what amount goes with that. I can't use the 100 because I don't know the number of questions that goes with that, but I can use that 3 questions is 15%. So now if I cross multiply 3 times 100 divided by 15, I will get 20. So there are 20 questions on that quiz. Now try number 17. So in question 17, the final answer is $29.40. You could have used the 140%, or you could have found 40% of 21 and then added it to the $21. Either way, you will get $29.40.